This is, you can see what our courtyard banana, and this is its kid. It is growing. It will give inshallah the fruit. And this is you can see the the mother plant which has which has given us the fruit. You can see ripening banana. These are very much delicious. If you like, you can eat the courtyard banana here. Uh, this is how it's so beautiful and so much delicious. Come on, this is to see what Zyziphus jujuba. Zyziphus jujuba. It's known as berry. It's known as berry. And here is again the Mangifera indica. It didn't give us the fruit in this season, but we hope that in the next season it will grow to give us the fruit. This is chiku. Chiku. I don't know what is the biological name of this plant. It's chiku. Okay, and it was planted here on demand of my mano, my daughter. She liked it very much, but it has not produced so far the fruit. And this is, you see, if I can show you, this is another variety of another cultivar of mango, and it is known as what Anua Anua Tor Anua Anwa Lator, and it is corrupted as Anwar Lator, okay, by Punjabi people. This is what the elachi. This is elachi, and this one is elephanteria. This is elephanteria, and I will show you people. This is what Nanthra, and this is another other variety of yucca. This is rose at our courtyard. And now I think I should take this banana. It's very delicious, and I'm telling people that if you have these varieties of banana and these fruiting plants, and if you give them enough love and care, they will give you the fruit. This is my promise. Thank you very much.